Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this brand new John Deere lawn tractor, the L110 lawn tractor. It says that it's a 1/16 scale. Yeah, but it's quite smaller. It's got the new mower deck and the plow. You can attach it to the plow like like see, it looks so good in that plow. It can plow the snow. Oh yeah, and oh yeah, so the L110 has a 20 horsepower V-twin engine. It's got this little thingy, this little yellow thing, this yellow rounded thingy. That must be the PTO. That will gauge your mower life like this. You could press the PTO to turn off the blades. There's the throttle and the choke and the hour meter, the steering wheels. And it's got the seat. Very nice. It's so comfy. The mower height, the steering wheel, scalping wheels. It's got a. You could turn. You can see this like a key ignition. You could turn on the tractor like this. With the throttle to fast, slow, fast. The turtle and the bunny. Oh yeah, that's what the tractor sounds like. Yeah, that's what the lawn tractor sounds like. It cuts the grass like the other mowers. There's some other mowers that are way different than the lawn tractors, like the zero-turn mowers. I might have known a couple of facts about lawn mowers. It's got the black fenders just like the L130. Oh, look at this. It's got the John Deere emblem, John Deere logo on the front of the tractor, on the front grille. It says L110 automatic. It's got the chute. It's got a I don't know. It's got like a 48-inch blade. I don't know. I'm not sure if it does have a 48-inch blade. It doesn't. I'm not sure if it does have a 48-inch deck underneath this tractor. I'm not sure for sure if it does or does not. Oh yeah, it's got the safety labeling that will warn you to keep this tractor safe and sound. To keep this tractor quiet, safe, and cool. Oh yeah, this does have those little. Oh yeah, you can lift the seat up and down. Wow, just like a real riding lawn tractor of any kind. You can imagine there's a gas tank. You could put the gas. You could fill it up with gas. You see, all lawn tractors like this are petrol powered or gas powered. What do you want to call it? So it's got a petrol engine. It's automatic. It's just like the L120 and the L130 and the D105. Oh, the steering wheel, brake pedal, scalping wheels. Front tires, rear tires or drive tires, fenders, mower height, seat, steering wheel, PTO, blade engager or PTO, steering wheel, scalping wheels, gas pedal. Oh no, oh yeah, so imagine that does, just imagine that this toy actually has a reverse pedal, gas pedal, steering wheel, scalping wheels. A PTO thermal gauge like this. There you have it, folks. The John Deere L110 riding lawn tractor. Goodbye.